Fusion cores are high-grade, long-term nuclear battery used for military commercial applications before the Great War, used by civilians to power a multitude of devices, from automobiles to generators. The military instead used them for warfare, supplying power armor and Gatling laser energy weapons.
The power of the sun in the palm of my hand.
Hello, I'm the Cosplay Commander, and today we are making a fusion core. I already made a Fallout Jet in May, and for July, I'm giving away a Nuka Cola. So be sure to check out my TikTok page where I will be announcing that giveaway. If you want to start making your own props, I'll leave all the links down below in the description to everything. It's all Amazon affiliated links, so if you buy it through that link, I will get a cut of it, which I will use to fund future videos, because PLA filament is not cheap. So, when I think about a fusion core, I think about something big, massive, something that could be inserted into power armor, something that could power an entire city. So this prop is gonna have to be big, bigger than the size of my head. And I have a big head. Pop the print off your print bed, bring it to your station, and let's get started with sanding. Please understand that I left the model in different pieces just so that it can help me sand it and paint it a lot faster. The first phase is always the same. We sand it with 120, 220, and then 320 grit sandpaper. This is going to help us get rid of not all, but most layer lines. Some people hate sanding, but not me. I personally enjoy it. And remember, safety first. Put on a mask when you sand. If I find out you're not wearing a mask, you're gonna wish that you had. After sanding, you wanna wash the print. While you're at it, go ahead and wash those dirty hands. Spray on a nice clean coat of primer and filler. This is also gonna help a lot with those layer lines. But those layer lines that it doesn't get, we have something for that. It's called Bondo, and this stuff is amazing. And they give you a lot for a tube. Slap it on there, let it dry, and then sand it down. It's just that easy. After you're happy with the Bondo and the look of the model, we move on to wet sanding. Use both 600 grit and 1500 grit. The look of this material has to be smooth, just like metal. Wash it and prime it one more time. Now it's time for spray painting, my favorite part. Already it looks amazing, but let's go ahead and give it some colors. Black on the top and yellow on the bottom. The yellow is high gloss yellow ginger. The link for that will be down below in the description. And the black is metallic spray paint charcoal. That will also be down below in the description. Not gonna lie, the charcoal spray paint looks amazing, and it jumps this model to the point where it looks like it's already done. This is the Fallout universe. Everything is muddy, rusty, gritty, dirty, and I'm sure it has a touch of radiation to it. So let's go ahead and give it that look. I used 3 different paint washes to help with this product, and I highly recommend them. We're using a brand called the Valley Joe, I think so. I think that's how you pronounce it. The color is brown, dark brown, and black. Look at how easy it is to work with, and it sticks to the prop so well. Grab those paper towels and dab away the extra paint. Look at it, it looks amazing. A true Fallout universe prop. Perfect for cosplays or a Fallout themed birthday party. Could be even used as an actual gift. We're not done yet. We got a couple more things we have to do to finish this up. We have to give this fusion core a clear protective coat. 2 coats should do the trick. After that, we have to glue everything together for our lucky winner of this giveaway. By the way, on TikTok, the winner was offshore. And the glue that I use is something called Acrylics 16. The link for that will also be down below. This stuff is amazing, and I did a lot of research before picking a glue to buy. And this glue works really well with 3D prints. This stuff will literally melt both sides of the PLA prints together. That's all I needed to hear before dropping $23 on this glue. And there you go, you now have a finished prop. A real-life Fallout fusion core made from PLA filament. This matches the Fallout theme so well, and I love the size. I mean, look at it. The height is literally almost 12 inches long. This is one of the few prints that I actually do want to keep. I may make another one just for myself, and I might start making them to sell on Etsy. So let me know down below in the description, would you buy this off of Etsy if I sold it? And also, let me know down below in the description what game, movie, TV show, anime series that I should start making props from next. I enjoy doing this stuff, guys. I really do. It's one of my favorite hobbies. So please support me in doing this by liking the video and subscribing. I'm the Cosplay Commander. Thanks for watching.